Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video, let me just shut my door. This video is going to be a planarium. And just so you know, I cannot say the word right. And I also have the hiccups. So yeah. But let's get into the video. That's not going to stop me. So, this is a planarium. This is the underside of one, but it's like see-through. That's one close up. Top, and that's the actual size of one compared to my pinky finger. Pretty tiny. And those two little dots, those are the eyes. And if you didn't know, planariums, one second, this is gonna be a teaching video. I forget the word. And whatever, but yeah, it begins with N, but you're gonna be learning, so this is a learning video, and that's what they look like. And if you didn't know, this is my Planarian. This is what he looks like. He's like this. Actually, he's not like that. He's like this with 4 different things, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 3 lines going through there. Let's do that on this one. 1, 2, 3. I killed him. Oh my god. And this is your planarium. Let me fix that. Third one. This would be the little tail. This would be body. Some more body. And then it's weird looking head with the 2 eyes. Yep, that's that. Yep. So this is one of my papers that I have off Planarium, and they're one of the few animals that can actually do something pretty cool. If you cut them in half, these are cutting lines, they'll regrow. So that's where we would cut, and say I cut the head off. Oops, his head's off. He would eventually grow a body and be a little planarium guy. Yeah, so those 3 cuts that we made to get 4 pieces would each grow into one of these. This one would get a head. I just do that way wrong. And they would all be exact, which means they're the same. All of them would be the same. So yeah, you get that hopefully. Each of those will be a little worm, and then you end up with more, and they're a flatworm. This guy is a flatworm, so he's flat, not like our actual worm. And yeah, he's a flatworm, and they'll eat dead animals. They'll eat plants. Like I said, dead animals. And they'll eat little other animals that maybe might be alive. They'll also, that's like all that I know so far of what they eat. So yeah. And the next thing I'll do is live. I'm gonna put little bullets. We'll put 3. And they live in rivers, ponds, swamps, and they'll live under rocks. In the ponds or rivers or whatever. And they'll also live under logs and eat the decaying. Yeah, they also eat decaying logs. And if you turn over a rock, then you will probably find one. Their lifespan is 2 to 3 years. So, yeah. Next, I'll get over the diagram of it. Diagram thing. So, let me switch to my pointer. Where should I start? Let's start with the first one. Oh, there's pencil lead coming out of it. Okay, so the first one is these things right here, these little pink things. I did color code this for you. Sorry for you guys, so that should be easier. So, sorry, I'm thirsty. Those are the, I forget what it's called, but yeah. They are the thingies that sense light, located on the head. And they don't like light. They hate light, actually. Light can kill them. So when people study them, they have to be careful about the light, because it can really, really stress them out. And yeah, those are what those things are. The next thing is the oracle, if I'm saying that right. And they're these things, these orange. And they sense chemicals in the water and allowing the Planarian to move to the food. So if there's say there's a dead plant, I forget what weed that is, but no one likes them in lakes, and it looks something like that. Then the Planarian would move to it, and yeah, the same with anything else that I wanted to eat. Those would be the things that sense it, that make it sense it. So that's the second one. The third one is the brain. that tiny little yellow dot right there. Yeah, that's the brain. The brain is connected to the nerves for like simple decisions. And it's an organ in the nervous system. So like if it wanted to go right or left or right. And you know, look at how simple those things are. Would it be like, what did I have for breakfast this morning? Some plant? Some log? No, it'd be simple. Really simple. The fourth one is the nerves. Sorry, I have the hiccups. The nerves are what feel their surroundings. So nerves are also part of the nervous system. Say this guy. So yeah, how they sense stuff. Like it'd be sensing terrarium, the terrarium, whatever that word is. I literally can't think of it. It would be sensing that. So yeah, say our little guy, our little flatworm, came along and trying to think. Got lost or something, I guess. I don't know. Never mind. And all that there was like rocks and stuff. He would sort of like go like this. He'd be like, and that's how he would feel. Hopefully you understand that. The third one is digestive tube. So planarians, whatever, if I'm saying that right, they actually don't have blood. So they have this tube. Oh, I forgot to show you the nerves. The nerves are these red things that go all the way to here, all those red. And yeah, the digestive tube is this blue thing that goes all the way down. And since they don't have blood, they actually have to use that to, when they eat, it goes into there and like they get all the nutrients, and it delivers them to all of the cells, which will say are these things. And yeah, kind of cool. And the sixth thing, is they're reproducing things. Those little green dots right there. There and there. Those. Sorry, I have the hiccups. Still, I said that like 4 times. They can be sexual and asexual. And basically we're doing a science experiment in class, and it's of their asexual ways. So we cut it at either 1, 2, and 3. I picked 2. And we're doing like an experiment to see how long they grow back. And asexual is with 1, sexual is with 2. And yeah. The 7th thing, I'm getting so confused, is it's the waste tube. Wasted food goes through there. It's a 2-way digestive tract. So it would poop and pee out of there, and it would also eat out of there. So there's a video on it. Sorry, I just literally swallowed hiccup. So say this is some food. It's gonna be just tinfoil though. Let's make it look like a clam. There's this little piece of tinfoil I had wrapped around my pencil. Because it has a sharp end and yeah. If your pencil ever has a sharp end, you do this and then you can put layers and it helps it. Have this and let's make that look like a clam. So we'll say this is a clam, okay? It's a clam, okay? It's our little clam. And clams have little tongues. So that's a clam, right? The Planarian, we'll come find it. And this is a little tubey thing. This is what it uses to get its food. He'll find it, then he'll do this, and the tube will go into it, or he'll find a way into it, like a little opening. And then we'll get the meat out. Then the tube will suck it all in, and that's how he eats. And I'm gonna put this back on the pencil. So yeah. That's what that thing is. It's not its private part. And that's basically the whole paper. And if you want to go to the website, I think this is the website. I don't know. It's www.exploringnature.org. And it's all one word. I just didn't have room. So yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys liked it. Please like this. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys. Hope you found this educational.